In this video, I'm showing you 5 powerful and completely free AI tools that can transform your SaaS lead generation. These tools will help you automate the mundane tasks, free up your time, and allow you to focus on what really matters: building an incredible product and serving your customers. Let's dive in. The first pain point many SaaS founders face is creating high-quality marketing materials. Think about it. You need eye-catching lead magnets, engaging social media posts, and professional-looking website graphics. But who has the time to learn complicated design software? Here's where Canva comes in. Canva is a fantastic free design platform that boasts a library of beautiful templates for pretty much anything you can imagine. No design skills required. You can easily customize these templates with your brand colors, fonts, and logos. This way, you're churning out professional-looking content that converts leads without spending hours hunched over design tools. Alright, so now you have beautiful lead magnets and social media content to attract those leads. But what happens once they express interest? You don't want them to go cold, right? That's where email automation comes in. Manually following up with every single lead is a recipe for burnout. But nurturing those leads is crucial for converting them into paying customers. Here's where Mailchimp swoops in to save the day. Even their free plan allows you to create simple email automation sequences. Imagine this: a potential customer downloads your free white paper. Boom! An automated welcome email lands in their inbox, thanking them for their interest and highlighting the benefits of your product. A few days later, they receive a follow-up email with a case study that showcases how your product helped a similar business. This is powerful stuff, and Mailchimp makes it easy to set up without a degree in marketing automation. Content creation and email automation are key, but social media is another crucial piece of the SaaS lead generation puzzle. However, staying consistent on multiple platforms can feel overwhelming. There just aren't enough hours in the day. This is where Buffer or Later come to the rescue. Both these free scheduling tools allow you to plan and schedule your social media posts in advance. Here's the magic: you can batch create a week's worth of content, schedule it to go out across your various platforms, and then get back to focusing on product development or customer support. Buffer and Later help you maintain a consistent social media presence, ensuring potential leads see your valuable content and start considering your solution. So far, we've covered attracting leads and nurturing them with valuable content. But let's face it, some basic questions come up repeatedly, and answering them over and over can eat up your precious time. This is where MobileMonkey steps up to the plate. MobileMonkey allows you to build chatbots for your website or Facebook page. These chatbots can answer frequently asked questions 24/7, freeing you up to focus on more complex customer needs. Imagine a potential customer visiting your website and having their questions about pricing or features answered instantly by a friendly chatbot. This not only saves you time, but it also provides a positive user experience that can nudge them further down the sales funnel. Alright, we've got lead magnets, email automation, social media covered, and a chatbot to handle basic inquiries. But where do we find the right leads to target with all these amazing tools? Let's face it, generating high-quality leads can be just as time-consuming as manually following up with them. This is where Apollo Easy Scraper comes in. It helps you build targeted lead lists based on specific criteria. Imagine searching for decision-makers at companies of a certain size in a particular industry, or using specific technologies. This takes the guesswork out of lead generation. Now you'll be putting your valuable content in front of people who are actually likely to convert, saving you time, energy, and those precious ad dollars. And there you have it. 5 tools you might know already, but incredibly powerful AI tools that can help you transform your SaaS lead generation game. These tools will help you attract the right leads, nurture them with valuable content, and ultimately convert them into paying customers, all on autopilot. This frees up your time. Imagine spending less time on lead generation and more time innovating, building stronger customer relationships, and scaling your SaaS business. That's the power of AI-powered automation. Now, if you're ready to take your SaaS lead generation to the next level, I've put together a free SaaS growth toolkit. It has step-by-step guides for setting up each tool I've mentioned, plus bonus tips for maximizing your results. You can download this toolkit by clicking the link in the description below. Start automating your SaaS growth journey today.